Hello everyone, I am sharing my drawing class, and it's a stacked course which also includes levels 2 and 3. At the start of the course, I have created a welcome page, and at the beginning, the first week of the course, I use Canvas settings to make this the front page of the course, so that when students log in, this is the first thing that they see. And my goal here is to be welcoming, to share just briefly some of my expectations, and to help launch them into the course. So after these descriptions, there's a very easy Start Here link, which takes students into the class. The bulk of the content on the calendar for the course, the assignments, the grading, and the setup of the class are found in the syllabus. And in the stacked course, there are several different syllabi for the different levels of the class. I use modules to organize the content, and the Start Here will link the students right here from how to use Canvas, how to use discussions, what is netiquette to establish a best practices for discussions, and then how to embed an image in drawing. I have students use the discussion to present and reflect and also critique each other's work. So they share pictures that are visible. That's a big part of the course, and I want them to know how to do that. And then the first assignment is just for them to introduce themselves, get to know everyone, and start to get to know the discussions. Each week, each module, I include reading and viewing materials at the start, which walk the students through the content for each week. And then to navigate back to the home page, as the course has already started here, we can see that after that first week, it comes to the modules, which are kind of like folders, where I have all of the reading and viewing materials, the learning materials, and the learning activities. So I tried to organize that very clearly into what you need to know and then what you need to do. Okay, thank you very much. I hope that this content is helpful.